Welcome to our channel. Today we talk about the 2027 GMC Crimson Shadow motorhome. So our target is 1,000 subscriber, so hit the subscribe button. Also drop a comment which motorhome will be next. Let's dive in. Exterior. The exterior of the 2027 GMC Crimson Shadow is a masterclass in aggressive geometry and aerodynamic dominance. Draped in a stunning dark gray liquid mirror finish, the body is a sharp, angular sculpture crafted from reinforced, military-grade aluminum and lightweight carbon fiber composites. As you can see from the image, this Titan rests on a specialized heavy-duty six-wheel configuration, featuring 3 sets of high-performance axles that provide absolute stability for this massive rig. These 24-inch forged alloy wheels are finished in a deep matte black, grounding the shimmering dark gray body with a menacing, tactical stance. The front fascia is a bold evolution of the iconic GMC grille, now featuring an illuminated crystalline border and ultra-slim matrix beam headlamps that can pierce through the thickest fog. One of the most striking features is the high-intensity red LED lighting system that traces the sharp contours of the air intakes, the roofline, and the lower side skirts, giving it a signature Night Stalker aesthetic. The silhouette is dominated by an aerodynamic dual-deck design, including a massive panoramic glass cockpit that wraps into a transparent side fuselage. With its low-slung stance for high-speed stability, active rear diffusers, and glowing red GMC emblems, this motorhome looks less like an RV and more like a high-tech land yacht designed for the next century of luxury travel. Full interior. Step inside through the motorized power slide atrium and you are immediately welcomed into the Denali Sanctuary, a world of brilliant dark gray leather, polished obsidian stone, and vibrant red laser lighting. Kitchen. The Gourmet Atelier is a minimalist masterpiece featuring a waterfall edge countertop made of black volcanic stone with integrated invisible induction surfaces. It is equipped with a professional-grade espresso station, a hidden refrigeration vault, and custom metallic cabinetry that opens silently with a biometric touch, all illuminated by crisp red LED accents. Washroom. The Infinity Spa is a sanctuary of textured dark gray slate and tinted glass, featuring a walk-in rainfall shower with self-cleaning sapphire glass and therapeutic red lighting. The vanity is carved from a single block of matte black stone, and the smart mirror provides a high-definition display of the vehicle's vital systems and local climate data in vibrant red graphics. Bedroom. Located at the rear of the upper deck, the Celestial Suite features a king-size memory foam mattress wrapped in dark gray Alcantara with red diamond stitching. The room is surrounded by panoramic smart glass windows that offer a 360-degree view, switching from crystal clear to total blackout privacy with a single voice command. LED screen view. Integrated into the forward bulkhead is a monumental 90-inch wraparound micro-LED wall. This screen functions as a digital window, projecting a live 360-degree feed of the outside world, or transforming the entire lounge into a private 12K IMAX theater for movie nights under the stars. Sofas view. The primary seating area features dual Sovereign-class modular sofas wrapped in premium dark gray leather with striking red contrast piping. These sofas feature zero-gravity reclining, hot stone massage functions, and built-in haptic feedback that vibrates to the rhythm of your favorite music or the engine's powerful, whisper-quiet purr. Steering wheel and dashboard. Finally, the cockpit is pure GMC performance. The dashboard is a single piece of forged carbon fiber housing a panoramic digital canvas display that integrates thermal night vision and AI pilot controls. The steering wheel is a futuristic gray leather-wrapped yoke with haptic touchpads and a central red glowing hub, putting the full power of this American empire right in your palms. Performance. Underneath the dark gray armor lies a triple-motor hydrogen hybrid powertrain, delivering a staggering 1,400 horsepower and 15,000 pound-feet of torque. This enables the 2027 GMC Crimson Shadow to reach 60 miles per hour in an effortless 4.4 seconds, unheard of for a rig of this magnitude. It features six-wheel independent steering for incredible maneuverability in tight city spaces and an active air glide suspension that scans the road 2,000 times per second to neutralize every bump. With its high-capacity hydrogen fuel cells and solar recovery skin, this rig offers a massive 850-mile range with zero emissions, proving that the future of GMC is as clean as it is powerful. Current 2026 pricing. Professional engineering on this scale is an investment in absolute prestige. For those placing orders in 2026 for the 2027 delivery, the GMC Crimson Shadow starts at a base MSRP of $3,850,000. However, the Apex Denali edition we've explored today, with the full dark marble interior, the 90-inch micro LED wall, and the high-output 1,400 HP upgrade, carries a final price of $4,950,000. It is a significant investment, but for a GMC that is essentially a mobile private estate, it is a value that will last a lifetime. The 2027 GMC Crimson Shadow is a bold statement that the future of travel is clean, powerful, and incredibly luxurious. It proves that you can have 1,400 horsepower and a two-story master suite in one stunning gray and red package. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour of the world's most advanced mobile home, hit that subscribe button and join the Motorhome Apex family for more. Drop a comment below. Would you live in this GMC full-time? Until next time, stay legendary and we'll see you on the road.